Give the important postulates of crystal field theory. This theory was proposed by Bethe and Van Welk, and it is applied mainly to ionic crystals, nothing but pure ionic nature compounds according to crystal field theory. So first postulates of crystal field theory: metal ion and ligands is purely electrostatic or 100% ionic nature. Is the point is over. Next one, the ligands are treated as point charges. Ligands point charges గా ఉపయోగిస్తాం. In the free atom, the d orbitals in the metal all have same energy, nothing but that is the degeneracy takes place in general d orbitals in the general metal atom. But here in the 5d orbitals, here in 5d orbital, 3 orbitals such as dxy, dyz, dzx here, xz or the t2g orbital, triple generatory orbitals. These are such as lying in the between the axis, the orbitals lying in between the orbital అనేటివి అక్షాల మధ్యస్థంగా ఉంటాయి. That point you have to remember 3 orbital, that is nothing but T2G orbital. Remaining 2 orbital dx square minus y square and dz square are along the axis. So అక్షాల వెంబడి ఆర్బిటాల్ ఉంటాయి. ఇవి అక్షాల వెంబడి, this is the xy, this is the z, dz square, x square minus y square minus, this is the dz square orbitals. This is the postulates. Next one, important point, that is the when a complex is formed, the ligand destroy degenerately of the orbitals. Degeneracy is disturbed when complex is formed. That is the point of this is the fourth point. In the complex formation, what is happened here? కాంప్లెక్స్ ఫామ్ అయినప్పుడు డీజెనరసీ సమశక్తి ఆర్బిటాల్లో తేడా వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఆ పాయింట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Fifth point, when the ligands approaching the metal ion, repulsion developed between those orbitals. సెంట్రల్ మెటల్ ఆటమ్ని లైగాండ్స్ అప్రోచ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు అక్కడ రిపల్షన్స్ ఆర్బిటాలకు లైగాండ్లకు మధ్యన ఆర్బిటాలకు రిపల్షన్స్ ఏర్పడతాయి, వికర్షణలు ఏర్పడతాయి. ఇట్లా ఏర్పడడాన్ని స్ఫటిక క్షేత్ర విభజన దారితీస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ క్రిస్టల్ ఫీల్డ్ స్ప్లిట్టింగ్. స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్ వెన్ ద మెటల్ ఆటమ్ approaching to the central, ligands are approaching to the central atom. Due to the splitting, d orbitals of higher energy and lower energy are formed. So in general d orbital, what is happening here? This type of here 5 d orbitals is there. This is the orbitals is there. Next one is there. So when the d orbital splitting takes place, one orbital gets the higher energy, one orbital gets the lower energy, T2G and EC. For example, whenever by the in the case of octahedral and tetrahedral, by the situation changing the EG and T2G lower side, higher side. But here you have to remember T2G two energy levels takes place here. The difference between these two energy levels is known as crystal field stabilization energy. Crystal field stabilization energy is directly proportional to the stability of complex. So that point you have to remember. This is the important postulates of octahedral. This once again, that is the point we are going to see. That is the crystal field theory. That is the postulates of crystal field theory. That point we remember.